Welcome to the bush. It is time to add on to the back of the A-frame. Let's tear up and rip up this ground. Might as well knock over a tree while we're at it. And let me introduce you to Hercules. We gotta get this whole top layer cleared off, so then I could start working on getting the foundation pads all set up and leveled off. Whoopsie daisy! We are adding on a 20-foot wide, 24 feet long. It's coming right off. It'll be off the back. And then again, 2 stories, so it's gonna go higher than the A-frame. And the upstairs will connect. Wow! Did you see that? I built on top of plastic pallets. Oh, little crazy. Now it's time to get this bad boy level. This is a transit, and the transit helps you get everything nice and level. So hold the tape measure off to the left and right in the center and say it measures at 20 inches. Well, all 3 need to measure. So here the middle was sagged down, so we had to jack it up. Doot. Is it hitting 20? Once it hits 20, boom. Shim it underneath, keep moving right along. So all in all, it was great success. Now we must check to make sure we're square. Super important. But of course, we are nice and square. So Hercules is going down, leveling off each of the joist beams, and I'm over here hammering in all 14 nails per beam. Now that it's all level and square, we were able to put the plywood down nice and fast, and now we have the first floor to start framing off the walls.
Could be garbage. Yeah.
I cut all the studs and the jack studs beforehand, and then Hercules and I marked on the top plate and the bottom plate where all of them are going to go. These are going to be 8-foot high walls.
1, 2, 3. All right, Ed, man. In this window. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go.
You can do it!
Don't get too far out there. Okay. Ready? Go up. Up. All right.
Okay. Need the pounder a little bit. We'll get the hammer.
Hold that together long enough for us to fuck with it.
Now that the walls are up, we can frame in our windows. It is Time for Hercules to slap up the plywood. Hercules, Hercules, Hercules. Now my lady is burning all the floor joists for the second floor. And here Hercules and I are getting ready to put up the king beam for those joists.
Good. And
You telling me when?
clear the floor still.
Cleared.
Ooh-wee, is that looking nice. Now we can start hanging the floor joists for the second floor. So what did you think? Comment below. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks.